Hello YouTube,
You spend more than me.
what are we today? We're going to play some Roblox in we're gonna play Roblox. I don't know what game to play.
I did you not hear me? No, dummy song.
I'm
not
my
$350.
family that back in there. My brother is raging because he's losing a foot. I don't know why. Raging about his friend. But yes, if you haven't seen Boss Hats came out.
You have your days and then
okay, my brother needs to shut up right now.
no you don't.
So my brother,
Well, you could stick
friend
into the door.
playing Blood Iron.
Well, everyone wants to freaking stop me from playing solo. But everyone wants me to play freaking squad and all that.
So that's what my brother needs to
I gotta keep everyone pleased.
So just go. So we're gonna go to Crash Grab, and you can see they got 400
no
24 million
no. What?
visits, and there's 300 playing. So I don't got admin.
That thing that airballed so bad it went over the court.
This is the first time I have played, or not the first time. The first time I recorded playing this, so it's not that me. I'm the richest person of all time, of course. So let's get this god guy because you know what? I need lots of money in my bag. So let's get this god guy. As you can see, I got $100,000. You can't see that? Yeah, let's see. So here's a check right here. And then you get to see right here I'm the top player. Because I'm super rich. I'm the richest player on the server. You can see that again. We rewind this video.
I didn't want to work at GameStop
again. But as I said, I am the richest person in the server. I don't have upgrades yet because that's like 1 million. But yes, I do have a lot of people. I don't got admin yet. I didn't even know how to get
not your other jobs I just said. Before Wendy.
I don't know how to get admin. I literally have 1 Roblox because my PC went away and I wanted it to go away. Reason why I wanted it to go away, it said it expired a lot of times, but it didn't expire. So I'm just thinking, what is wrong with this PC? So I wanted it to go.
Yeah, you always gotta copy me.
My brother's talking too loud in the background.
I mean, I know. I know your brothers.
Please don't be aware of that. He talks too loud every time I record, which is really I don't post it on YouTube. But yes, I record every time.
I'm trying to find my own
YouTube, trying to make it perfect so it doesn't talk. Oh,
do that one more time. I'm breaking that freaking golf cart.
And yes, he's playing Fortnite. He's raging.
It's fine by me.
Let's get this goal. And then we're gonna get the exhausters to give me all your money. So, a reason how I'm the richest person in the city, well, you might have told I had a little help from the owner. The owner. I had a little help.
What the heck is wrong with my camera?
The owner gave me some tips. It gave all of us tips. It says it, in the description of this game, I think.
Oh my.
If it doesn't, then I'm gonna tell you what the tips are. If you don't see it, or if it's not under there, I'm gonna tell you in the link in the description of this YouTube channel of this video that how I got this rich from a noob and went all the way to a professional, a real true professional, and how I got all this money. But yes, this is literally my life because I get 5,000 every time I fill this up for 5,000. Bam, I get 5,000. They filled my bag up with 5,000. I have 125,000 115. And I got another 5,000 for my paycheck.
Oh my.
Come on, Alien.
He's about to hit 0 too.
You know the drill. Okay, everybody goes out fast, but the gods. I really want the admin. I don't know how to get the admin. So, yeah, that's gonna be hard, trying to get the admin. Admin got a lot of money, but it's gonna be hard trying to get them. Because if I try to get them, and it's like going to be hard, and I really do not want to go all the way to that. Wait, what kind of thing do you have? I got this one. He had a red type of thing. He has the Spider-Man, and I got the last thing. I'm so rich. I'm so rich. Just to let you see that in the chat, I'm so rich right now.
Oh my goodness,
I'm so rich. Oh, he got his own family. Okay, let's take your family money. I need that. That's so funny. You just go to his family and they just take his money. I need to find more gods in this game. Oh,
David, give me some hangers for your
another thing. Find my grandma. She owes Okay, so we got all these people. Out of all these people, I'm the only richest person in the game. Like, I'm the richest person. Like, I played this game a lot. I am not all the way at the first person. Well, I probably will be when I buy the upgrade. Probably will be, but I earn lots of money. That's the point of this game. Earn lots of money, then you'll have like perfect success.
Oh.
That's all I'm saying. I think no, this is not 50,000. So it is 50,000. It's not 500. It's not 5,000. 50,000. I passed 500. I passed 50,000. I mean, I passed 5,000. Now it's 50,000, I think. Yeah, this might be 50,000. Yeah, it is 50,000. Okay, I'm gonna check if this is 50. Okay, I've just checked if this was 50,000. And literally, it is 50,000. I didn't know.
Whoever's trying to snipe me, they better chill.
But really, it was 50,000. So I checked. I went in, and then I went back in the spot and I checked if it was 50,000. It was 50,000. Okay, I'm in the 200s now. Look at this, 200,000. I'm so rich. Wait, let me see if I can buy an upgrade right now. So this is my game studio. They made it like cool color. So that's that's 1 million. So you're saying I have to go? I don't even know if I can give you money. I don't even know if I can give you money, dude. Like, I don't know if this game processes money. If the game processes, processes it, I will. If the game processes it, I will.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. I just told him that.
Fire.
Like, I really wanted to give him money. I really want to give broke people money, but I don't really know if he just said okay. He just said okay. So he's okay when they add that feature.
That guy was ever gonna die.
And when they add the feature, and I'm gonna give him money. Just to make sure. I don't know if I can. No, but I have limited friends. Don't worry about that, guys. People don't play. Like, I have some old-time friends who don't play anymore. They don't play like at all. Not a single game. Like, they were like banned from Roblox or like taken off from Roblox. That's what I mean. like banned it or take it off. But hacking or doing something or just was too old, or got their computer erased like me. I got my computer erased, but I downloaded the game back. So yes, must have got the computer erased like me and didn't download the game back. That's what they probably did. I'm not saying they did. But I'm trying to find some gods, because this god is already out. And I only need like a few more gods. A few people. Just to fill my, just to fill this up. I don't even know if I'm going to make it really. If I do, it's not gonna be today. I know it's not gonna be today, because this is impossible. I'm at 200,000. It's probably gonna take me a week or this weekend to do it. But if you didn't notice, since I'm rich, I can have 20 customers, which is going to be hard. So I'm pausing this to get everybody situated. So I'm pausing, so I pause them giving me the money so I can get situated with all of my 20 people. And I'm also getting noobs. Don't worry, I'm getting noobs. But if I get noobs, I will have processing money faster. So that's going to be really cool. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That was really quick for the noobs to run out. Then this guy's gonna run out, and then, like, Azrael has, like, plenty to spare of. So he'll be, like, here for, like, 2, 5, 3, 6 minutes, I guess.
Oh my goodness, you're dumb there.
I guess he will be, that much minutes for me. And then he's, like, gonna leave because he has no more cash. I'm thinking that's what he's gonna do. But look, he's filling up my money like a boss. Like a true boss. But he doesn't have enough and he left. Okay, where's another purple? I either need purples. Like, I either need purples, or a god. Especially a god. Gods are like the biggest thing I need right now. The biggest right now.
It's no skin.
Like, if
how the heck?
Freaking get it, God,
I'm dead.
Be so mad.
What?
If I don't get it by the end of today's video, I'm gonna be so mad.
You gotta be freaking joking, dude.
Like, really, I really
There's
need
no
a
freaking
god.
way you get that much accuracy. Kill me twice.
I really need a god.
That good.
This video, we almost got it filled up, and BAM! Oh, okay, well, yeah. Okay, if you heard me say that, it was like a slower band. But we're like, I don't even.
There's no freaking way.
This is gonna be hard because every time I have to fill the bag up to get like 50,000, and then it like goes to 2.
That no skin's the most luckiest freaking person in the freaking world, dude.
275. That's how much
it
hopped through. For being
how?
Well, I gotta fill the bag to do that.
I wanna freaking report this kid so bad.
I have to fill the bag just.
There's no freaking way.
Just to like get to 325.
That's no way.
That's stuff. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, definitely hit that like button and subscribe. Turn on post notifications for this channel. And I'll see you guys next time.
Freaking hacker when I freaking